If you want to wallow, it's me you should follow. Comes for the hippo with a heart.
Who was the hippo?
With a heart.
So what for the hippo?
With a heart.
Okay. Now welcome and Dana the zebra. Dana, Dana, a brain is once upon a Dana, Dana. It's a lifted desire, the fat or plain and the stats are clear. Dehydration is what we fear. This hippo's logic is hollow. Dana, I'm the one you need to follow. Dana, what for the zebra with a plan? Dana's the zebra with a plan. So what for the zebra with a plan? But what are they actually going to do? Politicians don't do anything. Hobo and Dana, each promise each dream. Hobo and Dana, not quite what they see. Hobo and Dana, it's all one big game. Hobo and Dana, and they're all the same.
Hippos with hearts, zebras with plans. Just forget these also runs. Nature's read into that call, a cliche that you can't ignore. It would take a monumental fool to deny this king was destined to rule. Oh, welcome, Hare. Just forget these bits of fluff, 'cause only I am good enough. I am Tao the lion, and I should wear the crown.
Many centuries of normal breeding have ensured that when it comes to feeling, he's the top
Voting for my foes instead would turn the food chain on its head. I am Tao the lion, and I should wear the crown. Each delicious feast, I really cannot wait to meet you. Ladies, let's feast. Let us come among you and greet you from the west to the east. As equals I shall treat you, especially when I want to eat you. Just joking, I possess such wit, you see. Life will be fun if you vote for me. All you have to do is smile at the others for their love. Say I am good enough. Oh, Tao the lion, choking. Come, Farrell.
We've got a solution, the dictator. It's how the lions of old and strong. A peaceful revolution to set us free. And how did we get it? Democracy. Say what? Democracy. Can't hear you. Democracy. Democracy.
Oh,